Building a home can be a lot of work, but the interior design is my absolute favorite part. And here in Mexico, you can customize just about everything. So that means your home can be a direct reflection of your unique personality and your style. Hi, my name's Heather, and my family and I are building a life in Mexico, and we'll show you how you can too. And today, I'm meeting up with my friend Corky, and we are finding furniture and home decor for Casa Renacer, a home we're building in San Miguel de Allende Centro. We're taking a restoration of a historic home, and we're also building onto the property. So we have to find the best way to seamlessly blend the old and the new. So Corky, where do we start?
Oh my goodness, I would say you start in a place just like this.
Yes!
It's got
gorgeous.
Everything. They customize just about everything. They are artisans here in San Miguel. And that's why I thought we'd start here. So this table, for example.
Yes, tell me about it.
This could be an anchor piece as a bistro set, a kitchen set, or a game room table right off the main living room.
Yes.
This is 45,000 pesos. It's going to last. It's heavy and durable, and it's gorgeous.
Metal
Look at
with
this.
some texture.
You can really get some character. You get your bang for your buck out of something like this. So I love that idea. I would also, you could pair it with something like this faucet, which is about 8,000 pesos. I would use this maybe off that living room as a game table and a bar faucet. So you'd have your bar set up. Here's the faucet with a cool sink, which I'll show you later.
Yes.
And it can go seamlessly if you want to keep the patinas and the style very similar, or you splash it up and you, in the very next room, you put something very different.
Yes.
So everyone's different, but I pride myself on finding that look that they really love. They're going to get excited. I want you to be excited to be home, and I want you to be excited to go out.
So, I love that so much, because this is something that makes me excited about design, is that there's just so many options and you want to tailor it to your personality.
Right.
But oftentimes, I just don't know what goes well together. So your eye, maybe my taste or desire as a person.
Exactly.
And then your eye finds those statement pieces.
And it's that communication.
Yes.
So you got to talk to each other. I want to know what you love. I want to know what you are keeping from your old house or buying all new. And then we make it work.
I love that.
That's what you do.
Corky, I never thought I'd be so excited to look at sinks, but these are stunning.
Absolutely stunning.
Look at this one.
I know we talked about right back there at the table and the bar faucet, which are great together.
Yes.
But don't limit. I wouldn't limit. This is a sink. I would put it in another bar area or a master bathroom. This is the quality and the craftsmanship and the wow factor. I firmly believe you have to love where you live, and it can be just a little corner that you go, oh, I love that.
Yes. And Casa Renacer is a 10,000 square foot home.
Oh gosh.
It's massive, so we're going to need lots and lots of different sinks.
Exactly.
But you, as an interior designer, have worked on many different projects.
I have. I've had projects with 2-3 bedrooms, and it's not almost, but it's just as important to find these pieces for a project like that. I want that same person with a 3-bedroom house to go, look at my new sink and look how beautiful this. Look at the stuff. You need to find something that brings you joy and pleasure, and know that you're getting something well designed and worth its money.
Yes, and as I am nesting, I am going through this process of my pregnancy that I just want to be more comfortable, and I want to look at things that are beautiful in my home.
Exactly.
So I know if people are in that space for renovation and they just want to have that beauty, that can be done in a bathroom or just redoing a kitchen.
It could be a hallway, Heather, actually. And I always pride myself on taking what people may already have. Maybe they're bringing things with them. So tell me what you love, tell me what you're keeping, and then let's add some
splash
pizzazz.
of beauty.
Let's get it.
I love that.
And that way, you can say, we found that in San Miguel when we lived there.
Yes.
And who knows where you might go next.
Yes.
But it'll be great.
Oh my God, look at this faucet.
Oh no.
Can we highlight this one?
Can we just have 3? This is
insane.
beautiful.
It reminds me of Genie and a lamp.
It
Like,
does
don't you want to
indeed.
just like
yeah, I do.
make 3 wishes?
I want to just la la la. Beautiful.
Corky, as we come into this next part of the showroom, I can't help but notice some of the original pieces of the building.
Exactly.
So this right here, this must be part of the building, and this is a historic
I believe it
building,
is.
right?
It's historical. I think this could have been an all wash tub. Can you imagine this in your mudroom?
Oh my gosh, I would love to like work at it. In
Boots
my
and
mudroom.
stuff. You could really trick it out. Look at this hood, Heather.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
But isn't this the beauty of San Miguel? That
It
there's
is.
the textures and the
It
beauty
is.
of history tied in with the new, which is exactly what we're looking for.
Exactly. This is, again, customizable,
Yes.
which is really cool. You
Yes.
can't get that in many places.
No.
So I would look at this carefully. But look at that mirror.
This
Oh my gosh. Any size. You could do a different color. You could do a different wood. You could do a mesquite wood with that.
Oh, that would be
it'd
stunning.
stunning.
And this in a bedroom,
At the
in
end
a
of a
hallway.
I know. Remember, love your life.
Love it.
So reflect what you love.
Yes.
And that might be just you. Look,
Yeah?
Look how cute.
Now looking down at this flooring,
Oh my gosh.
tell me a
This
little
caught
bit
my
about
eye
this
when I came
flooring.
the first time. This is actually a tile overlay,
Like a
stencil,
metal.
if you will. It's metal. So it looks old world, but it is actually very new and durable. This will last forever. But look
This
at the
would
character. Look at the design.
Yes.
And they'll change the design. You
Yes.
can draw your design and they will come up with it.
Yes.
They really aim to please.
And for Casa Renacer, I think this
Oh my
looks
gosh.
so elegant.
And it doesn't have to be everywhere. It doesn't have to even be a staircase.
No.
It could be a large rectangle in your foyer.
Yes.
It could be the hallway leading to your master bedroom. It could be out on your patio. Why not?
Why not? And for
That's-
me, I look at this as a mom of 3 little boys.
Yes.
And I see that it won't look so dirty. And it
Oh.
looks elegant. You feel like a queen coming
I
down
really
the stairs.
do. It's very forgiving.
So
Ta-ta.
now let's look over here at these fixtures. No, these would be handles.
Knobs,
Knobs.
handles, drawer pulls,
Yes.
cabinet pulls. And look, just look at this. This is a mixture of all of these different finishes.
Right.
And it's stimulating.
It
It's character. It's got depth.
Yes.
So it may not be matchy-matchy.
Right.
Like
Which
back in the
back in the
90s,
day, in the
yeah.
90s, I have to share this because
Please.
in my home growing up, it was white walls and everything had to be like brass or everything had to be silver. And it felt a little too like monotone, right?
Absolutely.
But now it's more luxe and elegant
Absolutely.
to combine different colors and different textures.
This one
Right?
matches that beautiful faucet that we saw at the table. I would go with this in a master. You could do this in a kitchen for pulls. And don't limit yourself. Go big.
Yeah.
Go this and a smaller knob for the drawer. Have your name. Be proud. Have some
look
fun
at
with
that.
that. That could be great.
And
I might-
again, customizable. You can customize this. So for our Casa Renacer, I think we'd have to do something like
Wouldn't
this.
that be stunning?
So pretty.
Love it.
Love it. Final showroom. Like, I love how they piece together
Exactly.
the little, like this little table could be in a courtyard.
It could be in the corner of your master bedroom. It could be in a lovely guest room. And here, I love how they're showing
too.
different chairs that go with it. So you might have a very elegant style, a little more casual, or then just leather.
Yes.
So this is casual and elegant.
Oh.
And it works.
Yes.
Look at the pottery.
Oh my gosh,
I
the
know.
pottery's gigantic.
They're bigger than we are.
Oh,
but-
at Casa Renacer, that'd be beautiful in the courtyard.
Or right by the pool.
Oh, by the pool.
Gorgeous.
And this table.
I want this table. You could absolutely hold this, you could hold court on this
Yes,
table.
it's
This could
huge.
be an outdoor dining room. This could be in the kitchen.
Yes.
It could be absolutely a cornerstone of that house.
Yes.
And
I
just
see it. I see it in
I
Casa
know.
Renacer in their outdoor
Exactly.
dining, overlooking the courtyard and the pool under the arches.
gorgeous.
Done.
What if you still work from home? You could sit right there.
Yes,
Gorgeous. Look at this piece. This is something I saw and I fell in love with because why not customize this somewhere like San Miguel, raise it up and use it as your kitchen island.
An island.
Look at the storage underneath. Look at the character. Of course, you could change out your marble.
Yes.
You could put corian. You could put all sorts of different.
You could stain the wood a different color.
You could stain the wood, but this is what brings the excitement, I think. Give it depth. Give your home the pizzazz, and have fun with it.
It's so true.
Find the fun.
I love it. And this
I love this
bar,
too.
Oh, this is perfect for like a bar. This, you know what? In a previous episode with a client that we renovated their home, Casa Bella, they found an exquisite bar that they put in the corner of their home. You have to check out the episode if you haven't seen it. But it's beautiful, and this is something that they, you could do.
You absolutely.
You can customize your own bar top and have entertaining out by the pool.
You could have your family crest on there. Gorgeous. So since we're talking about customizable ability, these are some of my favorite pieces as well. These could be buffets, sideboards, smaller dining tables. This could be a desk. Let's say in your new home, you still need an office, or you like somewhere where you can write.
Yes.
I would use something like this. Again, move it around, switch it up.
You don't have to use something for its initial intention of just a desk. It could be a table. It could be
these days,
in a foyer.
It's really the new rule, is to use things unintended as their original purpose.
Yes.
And that's what gives it flair.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, Corky. Look at this tub.
Look at the detail. Look at this hammered, gorgeous. That's a tie-in for that larger place.
Yes.
Casa Renaissance, you said?
Yeah, Casa Renacer.
Ooh, Renacer, right. This is beautiful.
Yes, it pairs with that table we saw in the beginning.
It really does.
And it is giant. I mean, rub-a-dub-dub, pregnant lady in the tub.
You could do it.
I could have the baby in this tub. It's huge.
I'm just saying. And look at that piece, Heather.
Oh my goodness.
That is, I can't imagine. I can just think of like 5 uses for that already.
I love this. And one of my favorite things about this place is that you can tell them to change the stain. They can raise it up.
Exactly.
Because I love that look. I would just want
too.
the stain to be a slightly different
I do
color.
too. I can, I'm excited. Look at that bar. My husband pointed this out to me before I ever even came in here.
Really?
He said, you have to go in this place and see this bar. Of course, I don't have room for this. But
look at that bar.
It's spectacular.
Wow. For me, I know that some of the things that could be difficult when designing or wanting to beautify your home is
it can be daunting.
There are just so many options and choices.
Truly.
So having that taste, but maybe not knowing exactly what it is that I want, that's where you have the eye. And you were even telling me about someone that you helped, like
I did.
Family
this is a beautiful family story. Great family, 4 kids, and they had furnishings they wanted to keep, but she just didn't feel comfortable tying it all together. So we kept some, and then we just layered and layered and found things that she's like, I never thought to put that there, but when we did, her piece was in a whole new light.
Yes.
And then the additional new pieces were just wow.
The signature
And
pieces.
exactly. And the family just kept, I didn't know it had that much impact.
Yes.
If you move things around, if you highlighted, if you really grounded the room.
Yes.
I think that was part of it for her. She felt like she had stuff.
Yes.
And she needed help tying it together.
Yes.
And
so that's the beauty. That's what works when you beautify a home and when you pull all the things together.
And it takes time.
Yeah.
So it takes time and it takes a little effort, but it just takes an open heart.
Yes. So I hope you've enjoyed as we have found the best way to beautify Casa Renacer, but also find pieces that we absolutely love.
Thank you for coming. Thank you for letting me show you.